Here we are outside James Smith and Sons in London, and they said I can film, so I'm going to go in and have a look at some walking sticks. Push. There we go. We have the umbrellas.
Both of them, we have include this one as well. Yeah. So go on the top. Yeah.
Here we've got some natural wood. The blackthorn. We've got some hazel. And I think this is ash with the bark still on. Some knob sticks. Big collection here. Some Malacca ones. Some ones with different heads. There's a nice looking one. Oh yeah, thank you. Look at there. More here. And there's the knob sticks. Some more knob sticks there. And we've got some umbrellas down this end. Custom umbrellas, make your own. Wow, there's a huge knob stick there.
Okay, so just make sure.
There we go. A quick look round. And there you go. What a lovely time I'm having.
When it's really warm down.
Keep my thumb there, then here, but I'm not going to push it out. So if you can do, you don't want to push it out.